Alright guys, here I am. Started my armor guide for Up Your Arsenal. Requested by Southpolecomedy. So first I'm gonna see, it's gonna be really short videos by the way, so just 2 parts. But first I'm gonna see if I button all this. Yeah, okay, I have Fernox armor. Now I'm going to show you. You go to special skins. Current armor's the Fernox armor. Okay, what I have right now, old school Ratchet from Ratchet and Clank 1. Snowman. Tuxedo Ratchet, and while I'm doing this I should probably equip them and show you. Okay, here's the Infernox armor. It's the best armor you can get on this game. Okay. Or why did I do that? Okay. Old school, right? Well, you already saw that. Snowman. That's what I did for my speed run I did towards Christmas. I'll do the rest in the other video.